Hi guys, Bleach here. Wait till you see what I have here. My friend picked up an industrial commercial snapper weed eater. It's got like a bicycle hand crank kind of. I don't know how many cc's there is anything. The most interesting thing is it's like a circular saw blade on it. I don't know if that's original or not. It's a snapper commercial, like for businesses. I'm not sure how old it is. It does run. I'm going to make a video of it on the lawn. I'll be getting a new weed eater soon. I almost bought this one, guys, but he went and got it, and it's quite heavy too. It's probably going to hurt my back. And you can see how long the shaft is on it too. It's got a good reach. So, see how it goes, guys. I'm going to get some gas. I'm going to get started. Alright, guys. Hope you can see me okay. I got the snapper hat on getting ready. I make sure to keep my pants pulled up unlike the other video. Alright. Other video with a weed eater. See if I can get this monster started. Tomorrow. Walmart probably won't dislike it. Bad position. Yeah, it's on. There's a red light. I'm probably gonna slip and cut my leg on the wet new grass, guys. This thing's super sketchy. I don't even know if I want to use it. Watch it not start. Great, leaving it out in the rain. Oh yeah, I don't have to kill it now. It doesn't cut. Cool, my neighbor bought junk. It don't cut, guys. Can't wait to tell him. He'll probably accuse me of breaking it, guys. Oh my God, what is this thing even for? What a piece of junk. Oh yeah, it cuts. Look how good it cuts, guys. At least it runs. Sure as heck good, I didn't buy it. Oh yeah, it just cuts right through the weeds. Look at it. Look at that, it cuts so good. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it cuts so good. Oh wow, got one of them. Oh yeah. Oh. Walmart getting one that works tomorrow, guys. A good snapper weed eater. I think this is more for cutting brush or sticks or something. No wonder it's not cutting. This blade is super dull. It's probably not even the right blade that's on there. Super dangerous, guys. Wow, it takes twice as long with this blade. I don't know, guys. 5 more minutes of this thing, I'm going to quit. Now it seems to be working better, guys. Maybe just needed to warm up. Wow, we're done! Why? If you're unhappy with it, guys! Wow! Wow! Good little weed whacker had a real blade on it, guys. That's why. Instead of this thick blade. That thing's a pain in the butt. Too heavy. I don't know what they were thinking when they made this. Barely touched the grass. Well, guys, I tried. I guess this concludes the video. I'm not going to use it any longer. It hurts my back. It don't cut because the grass is too wet, but I think it'd be worth it, but no. I'm dumping my gas out of it too. Please comment and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this fail video, guys. Bye.